Okay, so we're going to take a look at how to install the Nemalux XR. First thing to note when we look at it, the power supply and the LEDs are separated. So this means that the heat from the power supply and the heat from the diodes don't contribute to one another failing. Look at the back. This is a really nice fixture because you can actually carry it by the fins. It's about 18 pounds, which is about half the weight of what a normal 20,000 lumen fixture would be. It's nice and light, really easy to carry, and best of all, no additional junction boxes needed. We can get access directly to the power supply right from the center. Right on this center piece is a gore vent, so this allows for no condensation to build up inside the fixture. If there's a change in temperature or a change in pressure in the installation location or even in shipping to your facility, we don't get any water buildup inside the fixture. That's a unique to Nemalux feature. So let's take a look. Pop open inside to see the power supply. So the XR has 8 different mounting styles. One easy way to access right off the end, and then the wiring happens all in the center, so really easy to install. All the fasteners are captive, so even if we're way up in the lift, we can't lose any fasteners. Really easy to wire when the time comes. Black, white, and earth, all right there, and the lid is bonded with the bonding conductor as well. Power comes in through the power supply and then on the secondary side of the power supply onto the diodes, which are located here. If we ever needed to change from a wide beam angle to say a type 2 or a type 3 optic, it's really easy to do that with the Nemalux XR. We just put a different reflector lens right on it. So that means that you could buy one fixture, but you could have 17 different optical profiles just by changing out this lens. So you can relamp your LED fixtures in field, which is really handy. So now that we've been able to pop it open, I'm just going to put this on lightly, and then we'll proceed to go and actually put it on the pole. Now with Nemalux, there's 2 options when you pole mount. The standard option is the SFY. So if you need to adjust the angle, this is the mount. It fits anything from a 1 inch up to a 2 3/8 inch pole. Now the pole that we're using today is just 1.5 inches. And then these set screws give it 6 different points of attachment. However, if we need a dark sky application, this won't be the one that works. You can see the 0 to 90 degree markings on this, so that the light can shine out further from the pole. But today we'll do a dark sky compliant installation. There's not very many dark sky compliant class 1 Div 2 fixtures, but Nemalux makes 3 of them. This is dark sky compliant because it ensures that the fixture is only mounted at 90 degrees, so there's no uplight that contributes to additional light pollution. So this is the PM. It's powder coated just like the fixture, so it's got a double layer protection, which is awesome for marine environments or corrosive hazardous location environments. And then it's just black to black, white to white on our bond. And the nice thing with all Nemalux fixtures is they have these easy to use Wago clips. So you just twist the mount on. Now we're ready to lift it up and turn it on. So that's an awesome dark sky approved pole mounted XR.